Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, friends. May Allah Almighty bless you, all of you, where you are in the world and you are safe and secure. Ameen, summa ameen. Today video is very important. From the thumbnail you got an idea that in today video I am going to discuss about some real facts about online earning, because when there is word of online earning come in our mind, so there are different conspiracies about online earning, and mostly nowadays people are saying that online earning is just a scam or fraud. But in real world or real meaning, that's not true. So what are the different ways through which through genuine way we earn money online, and what are the different ways through which people cheat us, and at the end they are just a scammer or a part-time or only some particular period of time. The way they teach us, we able to earn money, but at the end for long term, that methodology, that process do not work. So that's the whole scenario which I am going to discuss in today's video. So before going to start the video, if you are new here, so warm welcome to all of you on your own YouTube channel Earningtips for you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel with bell icon, so you will get latest video notification first of all. So let's discuss some real, genuine or organic ways through which we can earn money online. The first one, for example, me as a YouTuber, so my channel is monetized, so I am earning money from YouTube after monetization. Similarly, if you are any social media influencer, or you have a lot of following on any platform of social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok, and some other platforms as well. So if for example you are monetized, so definitely you earn money after monetization, and because of some reason, if your channel is not registered or not monetized on the platforms at which you are working, so again you are able to earn money from that platform if you have a huge audience following through some advertisement or some other ways as well. So that's the first methodology. The second methodology is if you have some sort of skill, so through freelancing at different platforms, you sell your skill, and by doing work for other people you are able to earn money. The third one is, for example, there are different online stores, so you can open your own store, do some sort of investment on the store, and then you sell products. Or if you have no money to buy a store, so then through digital marketing you can do the advertisement for different products, different stores at the different region of the world. So through this way you can earn money. Another way is, for example, if you are a good developer or software engineer, so then you can able to earn money by creating a new website, by creating new blog, by creating new app, and register it, and the criteria which they have after completion, definitely you will earn money. And there are some other different ways through which you can earn money, so on and so forth. But my objective is to highlight the people which are doing scam, and unfortunately the audience or the viewer, because they do not know the reality. So just because of shortage of information, and as a human being, it's our habit that we want to get success as soon as possible without doing any kind of efforts. So that's the reality of our society throughout the world, that we do not do hard work. We are just in the finding of shortcuts to get success in our life. So by adopting the short methods, the scammer took benefit from us. So no, try to understand. For example, in fact, the promotion is very important for everywhere in the world. All the scammers are cheated person. Definitely they have some sort of people which promote their product initially basis, and definitely they pay huge money for the promotion, and through promotion people are trapped, and at the end people lost their money. So let me explain you with an example. For example, there is a YouTuber, without nominating the name, just trying to convey the message. For example, there is a YouTuber and he or she made a video on some particular website that you do investment of $10, and on each day you are able to earn $0.5, and in this way it's a long term process, long term earning way. You can earn money by watching advertisement. So the YouTuber make a video, and through referral link people join the website and do investment. The developer of the website or app pay good, handsome, reasonable earning to the YouTuber for the promotion, and for example, they earn lot of number of dollars from the audience. So at the end, the website or app developer is disappear from the server. Website is not showing in Google search, and app is not showing in Google Play Store, and again the YouTuber who motivate us to invest money on that particular websites, and then the another phase come, and they are posting videos in the against of that website, that this website is website is scam website, and so on and so forth. But after some time, after some days, another website created and it launched in the market, and definitely they pay good dollar, good earning to some different YouTubers, and again they start promotion. Again people join that website through referral link. So the YouTuber took advantage, and definitely through referral link here he is getting benefit of their investment. Again a few days the website or the platform will continue, and some people took withdraw as well, and those people who took withdraw of their earning, so definitely they motivate other people to join through their referral links, so on and so forth. When the developer noticed that enough number of dollar is collected, so again they disappear from the platform. So that's the reality. This is a real scam. This is cheating. So it is my request to all of you, please do not waste your very precious time in such kind of activities. If you are interested to earn a real way to earn money online, so then you can decide your destination and adopt a specific path, and then you can start your journey. Either you can earn some sort of skill, some sort of skill, because without any skill you are not able to earn money from any platform. So that's all about in today video. Hopefully it is very helpful for you. Remember me in your prayers. See you soon in some next video. Take very good care of yourself. Okay, Allah Hafiz.